In this video, I'll show you how to program a universal remote for Sharp TV. Step 1. Check necessary items. Turn on your Sharp TV. Insert fresh batteries into your universal remote. Find the list of Sharp TV codes in your remote manual. Step 2. Enter setup mode. Press and hold the TV or setup button on the universal remote. The indicator light will turn on. Enter the first 4 or 5-digit Sharp code from the manual. Step 3. Confirm and use. Test the remote by pressing the power button. If the TV turns on, the code is correct. Press enter to save. If it doesn't work, repeat the process with a different code from the list. And that's how you program your universal remote for your Sharp TV. If you found this video helpful, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments and I'll help you out. Have a nice day.